Shenzhen Sunway Industry Company Limited, founded in October 2001. It has a history of 20 years. Headquartered in Shenzhen, the city of electronics and the capital of design, Sunway Industry has built an industrial park in Hunan Province, up to 300 people in total. Sunway Industry specializes in R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service of automotive electronics and consumer electronics. There are lots of new products, such as solar wireless car backup cameras, solar wireless car wireless cameras, universal solar wireless car cameras, European wireless car camera, parking sensor, dash camera, and so on. The company has a standardized industrial park and a professional quality supervision team, with advanced production equipment and professional testing instruments. We are able to produce and process OEM, ODM orders of higher standards. The monthly output of Sunway Industry is 800,000 pieces. More than 90% of the products are exported abroad, covering more than 80 countries and regions, such as the United States, the European Union, Japan, Australia, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, etc. Sunway Industry pays attention to product research and development and technology investment. We have a professional R&D team, expert team specialized in hardware design, software development, product assembly, packing and testing. Continuously develop and innovate to meet customer needs. We provide customers with high quality, high efficiency, effective cost, and professional services. We have obtained ISO 9001, BSCI, CE, E-mark, FCC certification. Sunway Industry continues to develop overseas partners to strengthen its position in the global market. In the company, we are fully focused on cooperating strongly at work. Provide a good environment and atmosphere for employees to learn and to make progress. Give all employees a sense of security and warmth. All Sunway Industry staff make the customer's dreams come true through the technological work of 100 elite as the core of the enterprise culture. Create brilliance together with new and old customers. Sunway Industry Company Limited.